So if we are creating multiple graphs in Excel, it is easier to format one graph and then copy that format to subsequent graphs. So this will save a lot of time. So I have already created a graph and formatted it for my publication, and now I will create two more graphs and will show you how to copy the format of this graph to other two graphs in Excel. Now I have taken Western blot quantification as an example. I have named three proteins here, and these are control treatment 1 and treatment 2. These are arbitrary treatments, just for example, and these are band intensity numbers, and again arbitrarily chosen for example, and these are standard error of the mean, and these numbers are I have used to generate error bars. Now let us create a new graph so that we can copy the format of this graph to the new graph. So let us select these values and go to insert, then this is bar graph, so I chose this bar graph pattern, and so we have created a new graph, and now I want to copy format of this graph to the new graph. So I select the formatted graph, go to edit, select copy, and then I select the new graph. And then again I go to edit and select paste special. In the paste special for dialog box, I choose format. Click OK. So now the format of this graph is copied to this new graph. The numbers are all from here, the new numbers, but the format is from the old graph. Now this can be done in all the subsequent graphs. So I'll show you one more example. Select these values, go to insert and select bar graph, and we have the third graph here. I move it here. Now I select the formatted graph, go to edit, copy, and then select the new graph. Again go to edit, select paste special, and then format, and click OK. So here again we have this graph formatted as per the old graph, but the numbers are from this panel. So this is how we can copy the format of one graph to another in Excel. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe, and if you have any question, please let me know. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching.